mountain is higher than it used to be. The air's a bit thinner, the climb ain't free. But I still keep walking, 'cause my heart's still strong. Though my hair's turned silver, I still sing my song. There were days I believed I could never grow old. My fire burned hot and my stories were bold. But I've learned that the years write lines on your skin, while the soul learns to dance to a softer violin. The mountain is higher than it used to be. The steps come slower, but they still come free. And I don't fear the sunset, I just hold it near. Each breath a reminder that love brought me here. I've buried some friends, I've welcomed new kin. I've seen where the river ends and begins. And though I walk slower, my faith is wide. I've got a good dog, good boots, and my Lord as my guide. The mountain is higher, but I see the light. It's shining through treetops and fading